some more multiplying three numbers together to get an answer, but this time we've already got the final answer. We just need to know the missing piece on how we got that part. So the answer to this one is 350, but how do we get there? Well, we've got these two bits here, 5 and 10, so we're going to multiply those two together. 5 times 10 is 50. Now we need to think, how many 50s do we need to get to 350? We'll get rid of that. How many 50s do we need? We need 7. Times table knowledge is going to be great to help. I know that 7 times 5 is 35, and then there's just a 0 on the end. We'll show that with this one. Now we've got something times 8 times 10 is 320. So let's do this part first. 8 times 10, nice and simple, that's 80. We'll get rid of that. And then we need to think, right, how many 80s do we need to get to 320? It looks a bit scary when you do it like that, but if you just think, right, ignore the zeros for a second. How many 8s do we need to get to 32? Well, that's in the times table knowledge. 8, 16, 24, 32, 4. So 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 80, 320. Done. Pause the video here and you can have a go at these questions, and then I'll put the answers on just after. Okay, we're going to do the answers to these. So we've got 5 up here for the first one. The way I did this was, I know that 6 times 3 is 18. And I was thinking, okay, well, 5 times 10 gets me to 50, and 5 times 8 gets me 40. 50 and 40 together makes 90. Slightly trickier, but a nice, easy way to do it. This one, we've got 11 times 5. 11 times 5 is 55. Then I need to think, okay, well, how many 55s do I need to get to 165? So I know that 55 add 55 would be 110. And then if I had another 55 to 110, that's going to be 165, which gives me 3. For this one, 9 times 6 we'll start with, that's 54. Then again, how many 54s do we need to get to this, which is obviously what we're multiplying by. Now, don't worry about doing column addition. If you need to do it, use it. So 54, add 54, that's going to be 8, this is going to be 10. So I know that 2 lots of that, if I'd done another one, over here would be another 108. I can put those two together to get 216. So that's 4 already. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many more 54s would I need to add to this to get to the 270? Well, if I added on another 54 in there, that gets me to 10. Carry 1 over. 5, 6, 7, and then 2, 270. Oop, missed that one out. 270. If you need to do column addition, do column addition. Absolutely fine. But if you can do it quicker without it, do it without it. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I added on another one, 5. 5 times 9 times 6, 270.